Happy New Year everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is Ordinary E. I'm an ordinary person just trying to figure out how to fix computers and do computer stuff. Okay, so last video we gave away 2 laptops. We announced the winners. One of the laptops were claimed and that's been sent off, but this first laptop, or the second laptop that I gave away in that video, hasn't been claimed. So Manur Kashif 7070, if you don't claim this laptop by going to my Instagram and messaging me, I will be re-rolling that laptop in the next video. Yeah, so in the next video I will re-roll this if this is not claimed, and all you got to do is comment on this video, and if I do re-roll it, then I will then give that away to whoever wins it in that video. In this video we're going to carry on fixing this Medion laptop because it had slow RAM. I didn't have a hard drive for it. I used my own hard drive just to test it, so it does work perfectly, apart from this mouse button is a bit finicky, so I may swap out the front faceplate. So if this laptop isn't claimed in the next 2 weeks, or by the time the next video comes out, which is about 2 to 3 weeks, then I will be re-rolling it in that video. So your comments in this video will be for this laptop here. I will announce the winner of this laptop, but first of all what I've got to do is, I'm not happy with this button, and because I have another board which is slightly better, that button is slightly better on this, I'm going to swap it out for this plate. Also we didn't have RAM and we didn't have a hard drive, which I do have now, hopefully, in these packages. Well, I know I do because I already opened this one, but I haven't opened it fully. So let's have a look at these hard drives, I think. Yeah, so we got 2 hard drives. These are being refurbished, and I got them from eBay, and I think they're about £3, £4, £5 each. Can't remember, but doesn't cost you anything. Also, I didn't have good enough RAM in here, I believe, because there was only 500 megabytes in here. What you guys didn't remind me is I do have a box of RAM. So I forgot all about this box because I haven't been working on my PCs for a while, but I found it, and it does have laptop RAM in here. We can pull these out, but I didn't remember I had this box, so I went ahead and bought RAM. So this one again came from eBay. This one again came from, this one was from Facebook actually, and then I've got another couple here of more RAM. But yeah, so I have plenty of laptop RAM, and these are all ranging from 1 gigabytes to 2 gigabytes. So we should have enough RAM not only for these laptops, but any future laptops that we're going to be fixing and hopefully giving away this year as well. Yeah, we're going to try and get this one running better. I'm going to swap out the plate in this video. I probably won't show you all of me swapping out this plate. Actually, I won't show you, so I'm just going to swap out this plate because you've seen me take these apart already in the previous videos. If you want to learn how to take them apart, whatever, for these laptops, then go and watch 2, 3, 4 previous videos on these laptops. And we're going to have a quick look at the remaining laptops. I don't have many left, guys, so if you want to enter, you want a laptop, make sure you subscribe. Also turn on your notifications button, because obviously this guy hasn't watched my latest video, or maybe he has but he just doesn't want to claim it, I don't know, but he hasn't claimed his laptop, possibly doesn't know my videos there, or hasn't been shown the video. Turn your notifications on, and obviously subscribe, get someone else subscribe, like, and then just comment. Any comment will enter you into the giveaway because I use the comments on the comment picker. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to swap out this plate. That's what I'm going to do first of all. Okay, so we've stripped it all the way back down, and we've managed to free up this broken board. And yeah, unfortunately, in order to change this, you have to take the whole thing apart, like all the way. So all the way back down to that, and then we can put the new one in its place. Obviously this has more wear. I don't know if I can change that out. Can't do that because these are riveted in, and I don't have a way of undoing the rivets, and even if I did, I wouldn't be able to do a rivet back. So just going to swap out the board. Just has wear and tear on the mouse pad probably. Hopefully it works still. And just like that, guys, we've swapped over the front, and yes, the click feels a lot better on the mouse. So hopefully it works and is compatible with this laptop. So all we're going to do now is we're going to change this RAM to hopefully make it run better, and then turn it on and make sure everything is working, and then we're going to pick the winner. So we're taking out the 500 RAM. What I'm going to do in here is I'm going to put a 1 gig and a 2 gig. Let me just try 2 1 gigs and see what that does for now. So at least they'll be the same manufacturer. Oh, that's a different DDR. Damn. So this is DDR3. So you can see the notches, guys, right? Remember, the notches are different. Okay, so the RAM has been updated from 500 to 1 gig. So now it's 2 gigs of RAM in there, and now we need a hard. Well, let's test it with this hard drive again, and if it's all working, we will put a new Windows installation on one of these. Okay, what do we need to do? We just need to turn it on, right? Alright, moment of truth, guys. You ready? Yes. Power's on. Now will it post? And hopefully it boots up quicker with the added RAM. And there we have it, guys. It's all booting up. It's a little bit slow, so maybe it needs more than 2 gigs of RAM, or maybe because it's just turned on for the first time, it's retraining. So I'll restart it and see if it's quicker. There we have it, guys. Windows is loaded up, and Wi-Fi is working, buttons are working, yeah, mouse is working. Okay, there we have it, guys. Everything seems to be be working. I went with a 2 and a 1, so 3 gigabytes of RAM in the end. The mouse buttons are a little bit finicky, but the touchpad works amazing, and everything else, the keyboard seems to work fine. So this is ready. So like if you press it hard enough, it will work. All that's left to do then is put a hard drive in here, put Windows on here. So the only problem left for this laptop is how to hold the hard drive down. So I think what I'm going to do, if we take this one, I'm going to put some sticky tape on here and then hold it down. I guess that's my only solution. If you guys know a better way, then let me know. I have some double-sided tape, and I think I'm just going to put a piece of double-sided tape along there, right? I went with 3 pieces of double-sided tape. I don't know what's going to happen if this warms up and then melts, but then I should be able to just hold it in place. So I'm going to clean this surface as well first with some alcohol. That should be good enough. Now let's peel it back. Probably could put something in here so it compresses it down as well if I have a piece of rubber. So we could put a piece of double-sided tape on here, and then we could stick this to this. Yeah, so you see what I've done there? Just put a piece of rubber piece, which actually worked out perfect. And that's going to keep this wedge down a bit more. Alright, we had a quick clean up and you're ready to put Windows on. So get your Windows Media tool that you downloaded from the Windows website. If you don't know, that's how you do it. I'm hoping the hard drive works because it was come off eBay. Haven't tested it. Put your media tool, downloadable USB in your PC, hook up some power, turn it on, and then the rest is standard steps that you follow. I won't go through all the steps because you've seen me do it a million times, but yeah, just put your USB downloadable media stick inside and it will just do all the rest for you, or you might have to go into a bootable disk and select the USB, and yeah, you know what to do. You watch my other videos, you see me do it loads of time, and let me do that, and then we'll announce the giveaway of this laptop. It's not perfect. I think this button's a bit, you have to press down hard, but maybe someone who gets this can improve it. I think you can put more RAM in here. As I've shown previously, you can change the CPU. Yeah, it's seen operating system not found, so we're going to have to boot from, yeah, and there you go. So it'll boot up from your USB, and then you just go through the steps and insert Windows. It looks like the hard drive might be alright, so I'm just going to do all these steps and then we'll announce the giveaway. And there we have it, guys. We have a working laptop. The only thing that's annoying me is this left mouse button. I thought by changing out this board it would fix the problem, but it hasn't totally fixed it. You have to press down pretty hard on it. It does work, as you can see, it does work, but it's annoying me. Now the thing is, I do have another board and there's no way to know if this is better than that one, and it does mean I'm going to have to just totally transfer everything onto this board, which I can do, but it doesn't guarantee fixing the issue. I don't know how good these are. I don't even know if this board works. So I could do all that work and it'll be for nothing, or I could do all that work and it would fix the issue with these buttons. I don't know what to do, guys. Comment in below if you think I should do it. I am kind of 60 want to do it, 60% wanting to do it, and 40% not wanting to do it. I may just do it, guys, and just see if this board will end up being better. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I mean, I have it. I'm just going to be scrapping this in the bin, so we might as well try it. It's only going to take me another couple of hours to swap it all over. Yeah, let's do it. While we have it, let's do it. We're going to have hopefully one good working, proper working laptop, right? So is it worth it? It means changing literally every component. Yeah, there's no way around it. I'm going to have to swap everything over. Okay, I've made up my mind. I'm going to make a coffee and we're going to do it. And then we will announce the winner if it works. It works at the minute. You see what I mean? I don't want to mess around with it. It's just this left mouse button. So if I try and close this, if I click it lightly, it doesn't close. If I press it harder, it closes. That's it. That's literally the problem. But it could be better with this board, and who knows? So there's only one way to find out, isn't there? Alright, let's do it, guys. Nope, I've changed my mind, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this working as it is. It works, it functions. And what I'm going to do, if you win the giveaway, I will include all the other parts to the other laptop as well. So if you want to change it over, then you can, and it might fix the issue with this button being a bit more responsive. But as it stands at the minute, it works. You just got to press it harder than you should. So there you have it, guys. We've got another working Kira laptop. We now have 2 that we're going to potentially be given away. So the winner of this one is on this video, and then if the person who won the last Medion Akoya laptop on the previous video doesn't claim it in the next video, I will re-roll it on the next video. So comment on this video to enter for that laptop, and let's go and pick the winner of this laptop right now. So here we go, guys. You know how it works by now. We go to my channel, and if you win, you can see the Instagram link here on my YouTube page. So yeah, we go to the video that was given away, we copy the link, we go to the comment picker for YouTube, we put the video in here, and then we fetch the comment. Anything goes. Yep. Are you ready, guys? Good luck to you all. Alright, there were 17 comments. Pick a winner. Healthcare 192. The comment was
Congratulations, sir, for 200 subscribers. Oh, that was their comment. Congratulations, sir, for 200 subscribers coming soon, or came in soon. And yeah, so you are the winner of the Akoya laptop that we just fixed that had the bad power supply that we managed to find from across the world. Congratulations, and go to my Instagram, message me, and we'll arrange delivery of the laptop. So there we have it, guys. Everyone wish Healthcare 192 congratulations.
Alrighty guys, so another laptop fixed and given away to Healthcare 192. Just put your name there. When you message me on Instagram, I'll get your details and we'll send this laptop off to you. Don't forget to comment on this video, guys, if you want to win the re-roll of this laptop. If Manu Kashif 7070 doesn't claim this by the next video, then this will be re-rolled in the next one. So that is it for the Medion Akoya laptops. By the way, Healthcare 192, you get all of this as well, just in case you want to swap anything out, and it'll be a good test of my videos to see if you can do it and you've learned anything from it. If not, just say you don't want it and I'll be chucking those away. The thing with the mouse button, I just thought you could use an actual pluggable mouse in here, and that solves the problem. Right, so that's it, guys. Those laptops are done. So that's it, guys. That's it for those laptops, but we still have all of these laptops, so we're going to try and fix some more. So make sure you subscribe, get someone else subscribed, like, comment, make sure you turn your notifications on so you don't miss your win if you do win. And we're going to see if we can fix another. There's an Apple laptop on top here. So in the next video we'll just go through and see which one is more complete and I feel comfortable that I may be able to fix, and we'll go with that. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Happy New Year. Thank you for subscribing, and as Healthcare 192 said, hopefully we get to 200 subscribers soon. Can't wait, and I appreciate you. And yeah, I'll see you in about 2 or 3 weeks with another video where we go through this box and all of these laptops here to see which one we can fix now. I think this HP seems to be the most complete. I remember this pink one kind of was complete, but we have a load of more laptops, so not many left. And if they don't work, obviously I can't fix them and give them away. Then yeah, so not many left. So make sure you subscribe so you enter. There's not many left now, and I'll see you on the next one.